So conversational marketing is more than just a buzzword. It's actually something that's utilized in marketing quite frequently to communicate directly on a one-to-one relationship with your customers. So today we're going to talk about what it is, the benefits it provides to you and your customers, and how to execute it effectively. So what conversational marketing is really connecting with your audience almost like a one-to-one relationship, like they're standing in front of you and you're having a conversation with them. So the approach that you want to take is assume and pretend like the person you're speaking to is sitting directly in front of you. So what ends up happening is, and I'm sure a lot of you have gone through this, is you'll go to a website, they'll have a live chat tool and it's got a bunch of canned responses. Those canned responses get really frustrating if you can't get through to someone. Almost like a voice automation system when you call an organization and it's press 1 for this and 2 for this, and now you're down this rat's nest of 15 different questions to get a simple answer. So you want to avoid that at all costs. So simplification of getting to that answer as quick as humanly possible and observing the types of things people are asking are really critical to helping create that good one-to-one relationship. So in essence, that's what conversational marketing is. And what we want to do is identify how you can benefit as an organization and how your clients can benefit from conversational marketing. So depending on the tools that you use, you can gain some incredible insights from conversational marketing. And the most important one being, what types of things are your clients asking for? So really observing and getting down to the details and the types of questions that your clients are asking of you allows you to tailor your message towards those clients and start building a repository of responses for commonly asked questions. The relationship also gets nurtured through this model because what it allows it to do is start to build that rapport with that client. So when you're answering questions as if somebody is sitting across the desk from you and giving them good quality feedback, it starts to build that bond as opposed to vague, non-responsive, non-really detail-oriented responses that a lot of these tools provide. So another benefit is that you're starting to capture intelligence about the types of questions people are asking. And one of the key things you can capitalize on is by helping drive that traffic to the right resources or by capturing information about those individuals so then you can market to them effectively down the road. So what you're going to want to do is either try to capture that opportunity by getting a name or an email address or a phone number and get that into your funnel, help drive that individual to get their answers on either your blog or your news posts. So continually feed them information that is relevant to what they're searching for to build that trust. So another amazing benefit of conversational marketing is how it allows you to shorten the sales cycle. By knowing what your client is asking, by engaging with them to answer their questions effectively and immediately, it allows you to start appreciating where they are in the buying cycle. So whether they're just at the awareness phase or at the action phase, you can tailor the types of information you want from them and shorten that sales cycle window. So one of the key ways you can leverage this, and to think about it in more of a more traditional form to start, is your phone queue. There are tools out there now that allow you to answer questions right when somebody calls in. You know, not the traditional, are you looking for a salesperson, but are you looking for a web designer or a digital marketer or whatever service you're in. You can really break things down to be much more specific to get to the root of what your audience is looking for. Another great way to do it is if you have a live chat on your site, you can actually have responses that are very effectively answering your clients' questions. So automating or understanding those questions and continually fine-tuning the responses and measuring which ones are resonating and converting at a higher rate will help. So these are two little things that can really help expedite, getting that lead from awareness into an action state. So there's two key things to note here. You still have to have great writing skills and really a good understanding of your brand's voice, because that's what's going to resonate with the audience. So the way you answer the questions that are being asked and the tone by which you do that is critical to that opportunity to engage with that client. So you got to be very conscientious of not leaving your responses too vague or too bland or in a way that you would never ever speak to your client. It has to really come down to how you would address that client, as I've mentioned, as if they were sitting across the table from you and asking you a question. If you want to read more about this topic, check out our blog at NVISION.co and search the benefits of conversational marketing to your business. Thanks for getting to this point in the video. If you liked what you saw today, feel free to hit the like button or subscribe to our channel below.